So this project is about an experimental course called Smartphonics in science for first-year students. Here, students perform experiments outside the lab rooms, on campus or at home, using their own smartphone. Using the sensor inside their smartphone, for example, the accelerometer or the light sensor, their smartphone is transformed into a real mobile scientific lab. This Smartphonics course has reached more than 350 students per year since 2016, and it involves 11 teachers from a variety of labs. So by developing new resources, we have transformed the student's smartphone, something that is normally used to chat or surf on the internet, into a real scientific labs to do experiments at any time and anywhere. This radically changes the way we can teach experimental science. Furthermore, students follow a research-based approach, similar to the approach we are doing in the labs. And during COVID lockdown, we were able to continue this pedagogy by doing a lockdown experiment with students in weekly online experimental session. During this session, we were promoting collaborative analysis, student creativity, motivation, and boosting their experimental skills. My first point is that doing Smartphonics experiment is not difficult. It's definitely worth to try it. You just need to download an app to have access to the sensor, and you could try. Do not hesitate also to watch the video we have developed. A MOOC has been specifically developed for that. My second point would be that it's really interesting to give students the chance to be creative and in a research-based program. So as a teacher, you need to balance freedom and creativity with a clear pedagogical scenario.